Here's a demo on how to do the stripes assignment. This is assignment number 8-35 in the book. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this. First thing I'm going to do, I open Photoshop and I want to open the stripes.psd file, which I went ahead and saved. I got it from the data files off of CourseMate. So open that up. Here we go, stripes.psd, and I'm basically just going to do steps 1 through 9 here on page 835. So let's go ahead and get that opened up, and we can zoom in. I'm just using the zoom tool. I'm just going to set it up so it's full screen. We can see everything. Alright, so first of all, let's go ahead and get it set up, and I want to see my layers, which are not showing up on the screen. Okay. And so I'm going to hit the F key if you ever get display issues. F is a good shortcut. And let's go ahead and use the workspace photography on this one. So we should have Zebra set up. And I'm going to go ahead and make a text layer. So come up to the T, and I'm just going to type it in right here. Okay, we must do lunch! Exclamation. Okay, I'm just going to use the default size and font for simplicity of this demo. So anyway, that's set up. And the next part is we want to click on this zebra layer. And if you notice in the book, they do some pretty specific calculations on doing this elliptical marquee. So a couple things on this. They have us using the pixels, units, and measurements. So let's make sure this setting is set. I already had it from a previous assignment, but go up to Photoshop, Preferences, and go to Units and Rulers. Yours might be in inches mode, but let's make sure it is pixels. Okay, and if you're not seeing the rulers, because we're going to use these to make guides, then come up here to Window and go down and make sure your ruler is actually showing. So that's going to be right in, actually I'm sorry, it's under View and Rulers. So that's not showing and that is showing. Great. Alright, so let's just go through, and they say they want this to be 35 on the X and Y. So I'm just going to, let's just estimate. We don't have to be exact with these, but that's 50, so somewhere in between there. We'll just do that. We're just going to real quick, let's don't do that. Okay, real quick make some guides. So I'm just going to chop up this page, and what I'm doing is I'm clicking on the rulers and making this last one went all the way to the bottom. So okay, so I've got 4 rulers, and I just clicked into the rulers without pulling up my toolbar and dragged them into there. Make sure you have the move tool selected when you're doing this. So these are just guides, and this is going to make it easier to do this elliptical tool selection. So now make sure Zebra is selected, and I'm going to come up here and click on this, and I'll come right down to the corner with the marquee like that. So we have that elliptical selection showing, and we're moving down. So just so you know where we're at, oh yeah, we needed to change the feather to 5 pixels if you didn't do that already. And then with the zebra selected, we're going to add a layer mask. I'm just going to do it right here. So if you guys saw, I clicked to this, looks like a washing machine to add a vector mask, and basically did that assignment. Let's see, you can, a couple different views, and alright, so basically this is what it should end up looking like when you're done. Let's gonna see if we could hide the guides. Okay. So that's it. That's the finished product. That was step 9. Is actually save our work. Come up here, do File, Save As. I just like to type, dash final on that, and save. And that's what you would turn in to the Dropbox with the soccer assignment as well. So that's it. Let me know if you have questions, and good luck.